Good evening. IAS, IPS, IRS, IFS. These are all considered to be highly prestigious positions in India. In order to get into these posts, one has to clear the examination that is conducted by Union Public Service Commission. And this examination is called Civil Services Examination. In that examination, you have three stages. One is the preliminaries, second one is main examination, and the third one is the interview, otherwise called personality test. And in order to write the main examination, every aspirant has to clear the preliminary examination. But for majority of the candidates, clearing the preliminary examination is becoming really very difficult thing. Because when you look at the aspirants are in lakhs in number. That is the reason why lakhs of people will apply, but when it comes to the main examination, only few people will get qualified. Of course, that is in proportion to the number of vacancies that are available in that particular year. But here, most of the people who study a lot but still unable to clear the preliminary examination, that's all happening because of the lack of clarity in concepts. That is the reason why the first step in this particular exam, the prelims, is considered to be very important step. Just remember, you have to clear the preliminary examination in order to write the main examination. In order to go to interview, you have to clear the main examination, but before that you need to clear the preliminary examination. But the point is that how to clear the preliminary examination. First of all, the fundamentals must be very clear. There should be a conceptual clarity. When you are preparing for the prelims itself, you need to get more exposure to the main examination. Once you are getting more exposure to the main examination, because the dealing with current affairs, that will be helpful to you to write better answers in the main examination, to go for better presentation orally during your personality test. But for all these things, the most important thing is the preliminary examination. That is the reason why on behalf of this kalyanias.com, we have already completed the preliminary batch. The prelims classes have started on June 1st. June 1st, 2020, we finished both paper 1 and paper 2 completely, effectively and successfully. And now, if any of the aspirants still want to join this particular course, the admissions are still open. You may please join and you can avail all the classes starting from the beginning. And please remember, as far as our classes are concerned, our classes are so effective because we have done with all fundamentals and we cleared all the concepts. And for your information, I would like to show you our site. And before you join, please watch our demo classes. Every subject demo class has been given there. You please watch each class. All the subjects in the prelims have been completed. Now you can join. Right? Please join only after thoroughly watching the demos. Clear? Now, I would like to show you our site. I would like to tell you the procedure, how you can join our program. This is our site, onlineias.com or kalyanias.com. In the menu bar, please go towards the right of the screen. Here you can see IAS 2021. Please come down here. Demos, every subject demo, including current affairs, including science and technology, including environment, CSAT, every subject demo has been given here. And once you are thoroughly happy and satisfied with these classes, then you can join our classes. Right? You can straight away go to these prelims. So please click here. Anybody wants to join only for the prelims, you can join here by clicking that particular mark and come down straightly to enroll online. Once you click here, enroll online here, you will be taken to the next page where some information has to be provided by you. After that, you need to finish up the payment process through the payment gateway. and the amount is just 44,000 rupees. This is for both paper 1 and paper 2, which have already been done very effectively. Right? Completely everything is done. Material has been provided. Practices will be conducted. Right? And we also have the separate current affairs classes exclusively for IAS 2021 batch. And once you join this particular program, that will also be provided to you along with this package. This is a wonderful opportunity for you. You can please make use of this. Right? Now, anybody who wants to join for the prelims and mains, you can click here. That will be taking you to some other page where you can enroll online. The total fees is 1,04,000 rupees, but now it is being given at 90,000 rupees. For 90,000, you are getting complete preliminary syllabus and complete mains aspects. And we have already, and this is my, it gives me immense pleasure to announce that we have already started the mains. We started with the GS paper 3. We started on November 1st. The classes are going on very effectively, very successfully, and we have decided a time frame. Under that particular time frame, every subject is being completed very effectively. Alright? And all the interested candidates are most welcome to join. And I would like to show you other document also. You may please take a pic of this. Please take a pic of this. Here you got my mobile number, my WhatsApp number, my Google Pay number, Phone Pay number, Paytm number. Right? And if anybody wants to join for the prelims, apart from the way to pay the fee that what I have shown you, you can also pay directly through Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm. My number is there, 9246365622. Once the payment is done, to the same number send WhatsApp also. In the WhatsApp, you please send your details. Please take a pic of this. You have to send screenshot of the payment. You have to send your name. You have to send your WhatsApp number, and you need to send your mail ID and the course. Course means IAS 2021 prelims. So once we receive these details, you will be provided with the access. Right? And this is the right time. All the classes are ready. They are effectively ready. You will be enjoying each and every subject. Maybe history, maybe geography, maybe science and technology, maybe environment, maybe polity, economy, current affairs, CSAT. Everything is very much ready for you. You can just join and start your preparation. Anybody who wants to join for the mains also, you are most welcome. As I told you, we have already started with the so-called the paper 3. Paper 3, General Studies, right? And for the main examination. And we are going to complete all the papers in a time frame manner. So we are going with this particular strategy, and everything is going to be done very, 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 very effectively. And we proved it as far as the prelims subjects are concerned. And all the serious candidates, sincere candidates, committed candidates, you are all most welcome to join this particular course. I'll take leave of you, and I'll see you during the classes. Thank you so much. Take very good care.